Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Now, this came from AliExpress. I purchased this with my own money, but it did come in this black bag, but I already took it out. It's crazy. This is the size of the bag, and that's the size, yeah. So anyway, this is how it came. It is a poured glue, thank goodness, but this is how they wrapped it. I'm not real sure why, because most companies, if they put this in there, they'll wrap the canvas around this, and if they were doing it to keep it from getting smashed, well, yeah, they should have done it, you know, put this in a boot or something. But from what I see, the canvas is fine. And like I said, it is poured glue, so it is pretty forgiving. Now, of course, I got on AliExpress. I have only purchased from AliExpress one other time, and it was back several years ago. And I have not had any issues with AliExpress. I did purchase one other thing that I will show you when I get done showing you the canvas. I purchased them both at the same time, but of course AliExpress is kind of like Amazon. It's one company with a bunch of little companies that they, you know, have, and you know, you might buy several things at one time, but they're all different companies. So the other thing that I purchased, I received it like within 4 or 5 days after I purchased it, and I've been waiting on this for about 2 weeks. So this comes with a regular toolkit. It does have, looks like a 2 or 3 placer there, double thing of wax, and some baggies. They are pre-bagged, and I will have to write on here what they go to, because there's no kind of indication on what these bags of drills go to. So, all right, you all know that my name is Scarlet. I was not named after the Gone with the Wind Scarlet. Okay, I only have one T in my name, not 2, but everybody always wants to put 2 T's in my name. I was actually named after a scarlet maple tree, and yeah, so, but I love the movie Gone with the Wind. I collect Gone with the Wind stuff, although I was not named after that. But I have been wanting a Gone with the Wind canvas for forever, and I could never find one. Well, like I said, I was on AliExpress one night, and I seen this come up, and I was like, oh, you know, I could get that. So that's exactly what I did. Boy, I sure didn't lay that down very well. So this is a 40 by 50. And like I said, I only give like $7 for it. I think it's like $7.13, something like that. I have found that AliExpress has weird pricing. Like, instead of it just being $7.98 or $7.50, it's like, yeah, $7.13, 31 cents. It was something like that. So it is poured glue. It has 30 colors. It does have DMC codes. We have got 1 through 8. And then we have the alphabet And then at the bottom we have a few symbols, but everything is in order. So there's that. Does have a thumbnail and a schematic on the bottom right and on the top left. And like I said, it is a 40 by 50. And it looks really good. Looks really good. The canvas is very clear. Looks like it's going to be a lot of color blocking. Like down here. Yeah. So I cannot wait to do this one. Because like I said, I do collect Gone with the Wind stuff. Although I was not named after Scarlet O'Hara. But it is a wonderful, wonderful movie. And if you have not ever watched this, I would say find you a day that you can dedicate about 4 hours, because that's about how long the movie is, about 3.5, 4 hours long, and sit down and watch it. It is a very good movie. The book is even better, of course. I've even seen and read the other half of Gone with the Wind. I can't think of what the name is, though, but it's like part 2. So yeah. So, what do y'all think? What do y'all think about it? So, let me show you what the other thing was. Okay. So, I got one of these bag holders. They're plastic. I only give like, I think $4 and something for this. And they hold your bags of drills. Which I've already got. This is what I've been using for my big old kit that I'm doing right now. But yeah, your bags just sit right down inside there, just like that. The only thing that I will say that I don't like about this is you have no way of knowing what bag is what unless you, like me, I started with, the smallest A. I didn't have a B, so there's my C, because I go by symbol. I don't go by DMC color, and I don't go by number. I go by symbol, because when I'm working on here, I look for the symbol. I don't look for the symbol and then have to go over here, look for the DMC, and then come over here. That's just too much. I just look for the symbol. Anytime I work out of bags, I'll just take and write the, whatever the symbol is, or, the letter number is. I'll just put it right there on the bag. These are the ones that I couldn't fit in here, so I just draw the symbol on the bag, and then that way when I'm doing this and I need, the dollar sign, I'm getting ready to do the dollar sign, I can just go over and grab the dollar sign. So that's how I do. Everybody does it different, but that's how I do. But yeah, I got this off AliExpress also. I'll leave the link to both this and this in my description box. I do like this. I really do, because it does keep everything together, because before I've been using these little things from Dollar Tree, and then, they've got the smaller ones that are this size, but they're smaller. I was using like 4 of those. I had this one, and then 4 of the small ones. So it was a lot of stuff to have to pick up and move when I wanted to scoot my canvas over. So this is a lot better. Probably wouldn't hurt to have 2 of these. I think that holds 52. I think there's 52 slots in here. I'll have to look and check. But yeah. Well, you know what? Let me pause and I'll be right back. Okay. So it's a 51 grid diamond painting, and it was $7.71, and that's how much it was with tax. So I did give $7.71 for, well, $8.65 for it. So yeah, 51 grid is how many it holds is 51. So, and looking at that, I gave this was $13 and something, but because I guess they gave me some kind of discount, I only gave $7 and something for this. So, anyway, so let me know what y'all think about either one of these. Has anybody used one of these, gotten one of these? What do y'all think about it? Do y'all like them? I wish there was a way to where you could tell, you know, what was what. I mean, I know what it is after using it for about 30 minutes to an hour. I kind of memorize where everything's setting. But yeah, just every time I go to sit down to work on my canvas, if I haven't worked on it in a day or two, I have to familiarize myself with what is in each one. So I hope I'm making sense. So, all right, anyway, y'all, this is what I wanted to show y'all. I was very excited to get this, and once I do this one, I'll do a review on it, and I'm going to frame this. So, all right, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And again, this is a poured glue round, and you can see the colors. So let me know what y'all thought, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and you know, give me a like and a comment. I always like reading them. I always comment back. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until my next one, I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.